I think when you are talking to your kids about what happened with Osama Bin Laden and the media coverage events that they're seeing, I think the most important thing to do is just to be aware of what your kids are seeing. Be present with them and be available to them. I think one of the most important things you can be thinking about is, especially for our younger kids, a good rule is the younger they are, the less media exposure they should have to those types of scary images. Many of our younger kids don't have the ability to process what they're seeing and understand it in a way that makes them feel safe. Many times they think that these scary images are happening in their hometown or maybe outside of their door or currently happening. If your kids are being exposed to media and they are seeing these images or stories, it's just important to be there with them. Take the time to make sure that you're watching with them, and during the commercial breaks, discuss with them what they're seeing, what they've heard outside of that situation, what they're seeing when they're away from you. Give them an opportunity to ask questions and share their opinions. As parents, we have both the responsibility and the privilege to help our kids frame and interpret what they're seeing and to kind of give them a sense of how to understand that and put it into perspective. When you're talking to kids about what happened with Osama Bin Laden and his death, simply just talking to them about 9/11 and Osama Bin Laden's role in the death of thousands of men, women, and children on American soil. Many children, because of their exposure to stories and to movies and to books, have a good understanding of the battle between good and evil. They have a sense of justice and how to understand that. So helping them understand his role in 9/11 and that he had continued to make threats, viable threats that were ongoing, and that by his capture and by what had happened to him, it was a way to put an end to those threats that were ongoing to children and families in the United States. And for many people, it was a step towards having justice occur.